Yo, check what up mga brani at karon sa Davao para magsuroy-suroy no o ipakita sa inyo kung sa mga nindot na tourist spot o mga falls dere sa Davao, di ba? So sa atong makita karon sa ato ang video is ang New Bataan. Amo nilang Bamboo Resort nindot kay diri na sa swimming pool, bugna pod ang ilang tubig. Og sa mga uban na mga umaabot na to ng mga video is makita pod na to nga Liwagwag Falls no sa Katiil, Davao Oriental. So, unsa pa nyo ipaabot mga bra, ay magkalimot ha. Na Johnny, no? Subscribe mo, follow, share, comment para malipay tang tanan. Let's go mga bra, manglaag ta.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Yo, what's up guys? Mga bra namin karon sa Liwagwag Falls Eco Park. See that? Whoa, very nice. First time na mamagari, no? First time. So this is it, pansit. Oh, shit. Let's go lang. Wow. Holy Grail. Wow. Look at that. Let's see here. Oh. Ito kayo mga bra. Look at that. Very nice. Nindot kayo. Napay gagmay dito, oh. Then lako kayo. Timing kayo, wala gaulan, paganhi. Sulit kayo. Sus. Sabi na, maligo ka diya ba? Timing kayo, blue kayo ang tubig. Darito nag-agi ang dayaw. Mata kaabot. Anak ta? Iya ba? Iya ba agi? Karan di ba? Dali. Iso di man bag. Dali ka to nga. Isuot. Ayaw na isuot. Isuot lagi. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Saan ako ipagamay? Gamay lang. Wala pa. 1, 2, 3, 1. Balik, mag-half ko. Half. Kana. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, smile. Apa dah yun? Okay. Yeah. Naik kwarta. Naik kwarta maabot. Paano siya?
Yan. Buwak. Half lang. Ako ay half, di mo kay whole. Wala na. Yang, very good.
Yo, check. Indot kayo, no? Visit, pansit. Dagan kay mga riders, no? Para makita ni nga Holy Grail. Indot kayo ba? Indot kayo. Basta ito nga. Ha? Blue crystal clear kaya ang tubig. Makita. Tama na. Sige. Lap.